To set up your Whoop charging cable, start by locating the charging port on your Whoop device, which is usually found at the top or side of the strap. Next, take the charging cable and identify the corresponding end that plugs into the Whoop device. This end is typically a small, rounded connector that fits snugly into the charging port. Gently push the connector into the charging port until you feel it click into place, ensuring a secure connection. Be careful not to force the connector, as this can damage the port or the cable. Once the cable is securely connected to the Whoop device, locate the other end of the cable, which is typically a standard USB connector. Plug the USB connector into a compatible power source, such as a computer, wall adapter, or USB charging hub. Make sure the power source is turned on and functioning properly. Your Whoop device should now begin charging, and you can monitor the charging progress on the device itself or through the Whoop app. It is essential to use the official Whoop charging cable or a certified replacement to ensure safe and efficient charging. Avoid using damaged or frayed cables, as these can pose a risk to your device and your safety. Additionally, keep the charging area clean and dry to prevent any damage to the device or the cable. By following these simple steps and best practices, you can successfully set up your Whoop charging cable and keep your device charged and ready for use. Remember to always handle the charging cable with care and store it properly when not in use to maintain its longevity and performance.